He's conquered the tube, now he's moving to the big screen. I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another kids movie review. Hit that like and subscribe button right now for the freshest of Fun with Captain Starlight content 2 times a week. Plus, check out heaps of our other movie reviews in the link below. There's a very good chance that you've already heard of Ryan
of Ryan's World.
We did it! Ta-da!
But it seems that even the world's most successful child YouTuber has his problems.
Hey, someone's stealing my characters.
We'll take this one. Kate, thanks, bye, see ya!
His twin sisters Emma and Kate have been zapped into a magical comic book.
Pick it up! Now you pick it up! Ah!
So now, Ryan must journey into the Titan universe.
I'm going in. What's happening? Whoa! This is so cool! Am I really in a comic book? Awesome!
To save his sisters before his parents find out they're missing. And to save the day, he's going to have to join a gang of hilarious characters and become the Red Titan. Parents, this movie is targeted for all ages, and apart from some slightly flashy animation, little Titans can watch along. Fun facts: Ryan started his YouTube career at 3 years of age, and this is his first major movie. Also, he's not the only YouTuber in this movie, with cameos from a bunch of his pals including Evangeline, Magician Dan Rhodes, Toys and Colours, Hungry Fam, and K-City, just to name a few. If you're a fan of Ryan's YouTube channels, you're sure to love this movie-length adventure. Our Captain Starlight Rocket rating gives it a titanic 3 out of 5. Before you check it out, remember to like and subscribe for more of our great content. I've been Captain Starlight, and this has been another kids movie review.